Hello everyone, welcome to English classes by Sonia Dhawan. So this is my class and I am here to brush up your English. This is part 2 and this video will definitely help you enhance your vocabulary. Here today I have taken 10 new words which have been provided by Captain Mishra sir. So children, I will teach you how to pronounce them accurately. First word is beside. Beside. It's a preposition. Meaning is next to or by the side of. Use she knelt beside her bed. Who is sitting beside you? It means who is sitting next to you. Next word is besides. Besides. Only S is added here. So its meaning, it is also a preposition. Its meaning is in addition to something. Use. Do you play any other sports besides football? फुटबॉल के अलावा, फुटबॉल तो आप खेलते ही हैं, उसके अलावा कोई और स्पोर्ट्स है जो आप खेलते हो? Besides English, I learn French also. इंग्लिश तो मैं सीखती ही हूँ या सीखता हूँ, लेकिन इसके अलावा मैं फ्रेंच भी सीखता हूँ या सीखती हूँ. Third word is beloved. Beloved. It's an adjective. Its meaning is very much loved. Use meet my beloved sister. She is my beloved aunt. Fourth word is preamble. Preamble. It's a noun. And you must have heard about this word in TV or you must have read about this in political science. Meaning is opening statement of the purpose of the book. Use the preamble to the Constitution of India is an important document. Another word is career. Career. Generally, people speak it as career, but there is a difference between career and carrier. It's a noun. Its meaning is work or job. Use she began her acting career in TV serials. I began my career as a kindergarten teacher. Sixth word is amateur. Amateur. It's a noun. Meaning a person who does something for enjoyment and interest, not for the job. The tournament is open for both amateurs and professionals. So professionals are the people who work and they are paid for that work. But amateurs are the people, are the persons who work only for enjoyment and interest. Next word is rationale. Rationale. Noun. It's a noun. Meaning is reason for doing something. Use. What's the rationale behind these new exams? Next word is rampage. Rampage. It is used as a noun as well as verb also. Meaning run around making a lot of noise and causing damage. Angry citizens rampaged through the city. A herd of rampaging elephants. Next word. Ravishing. Ravishing. It's an adjective. Meaning is very beautiful. Use you look very ravishing in that dress. Last word for today is fracas. Fracas. S is silent here. So we pronounce it as fracas. Noun. It's a noun. Meaning is noisy fight or argument. Use what's all that fracas about? Stop it. So children, these are the 10 words. I have taught you how to pronounce them accurately. You also try to pronounce them. It will definitely help you improve your speaking skills. That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.